welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a declutter and organize of my under the sink cupboard in the kitchen. It is in shambles at the moment, and the other day when Chris went to help me fix the dishwasher, he opened up the cupboard and everything fell on top of him. That's how bad it is. And when he walked away after he fixed it, I shoved it all back in there and thought, it's time, I need to film this video. So I'm going to clear it all out, clean it all out, put everything back how I want it, and then once at the end everything's in its place, I'm going to write out a list so I can get the labels that I want and I can have everything nicely labeled, because I found since I have labeled my pantry and my laundry, things stay nice and tidy. So if everything's labeled in here, then it will stay neat and tidy too. If you are new around here, I get all my labels from Little Label Co. They're an Australian company and they custom make labels for your home, and they're fabulous and I have loved using them. So I will link them below for you, and I will link their Instagram account as well. And if you want to see more labels of my home, I will pop in my little Instagram here and you can click on that and you can see other parts of my home that are organized with Little Label Co. labels. But let's go organize. Alright, are you ready? I think I need to clean that. Ready, here we go. Da-dum, da-dum. It is in shambles. It is shocking. So enough chatting from me. I'm going to clear this baby out and get it all pretty again.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh. Keep my fingers.
So it's all nice and clear and empty. I'm not very happy, so it's got a bit of damage there, but it should be okay. And if you saw, there's the drips when we stained the cabinet. I'm going to see if the magic eraser can get that off, because that looks really gross. But I'm going to give it all a good thorough wipe out and make this all clean.
I'ma be with tonight, so I will do anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me.
Well, that makes me totally claustrophobic trying to get up in that little corner to clean that off, and I'm going to pass it off as I'm going to just wipe it all down and the stain can stay, because I was getting a little bit, I'm stuck in this tiny little corner. So that is all I'm going to do on that. I think that the magic eraser will remove the stain, but I'm not willing to stick my head in there for a good 20 minutes. I'm not good in small spaces. So I am just going to wipe it over with some method spray, give it all a nice fresh clean. So let's keep cleaning.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost.
So I've got these containers. I picked these up from Bunnings, and they're stackable drawers like that. I have some tea towels in here, but I've got my tea towels over in my kitchen island, so I'm going to take them out. I'm just going to stack them. So I'm just going to fill these up. I've got my little dusting mitts, and I don't want them folded. I just want them flat, so I know they're the dusting mitts, because I have my little dusting slippers that I wear when I clean. I've got some in the wash at the moment, so they're going to go up there. And then this one I'm going to put my magic erasers. Now these need to be cut up.
Turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Oh, yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, I keep my fingers crossed. Oh, yeah, it's on.
Alright, here we go. So, on this side I have my little mat when I want to kneel down. I'm sitting on my bottom right now, I could be using that. Up the top, in the top drawers here, I have the magic erasers, and you saw that I cut them up. These aren't my favourite brand of a magic erasers. They're more like a sponge. They don't do a really good job, but they still work. But I do have another brand, and I cannot remember which brand it is. I'm trying to find them again. I thought I picked them up in Bunnings. I got these in Bunnings, but I couldn't find them. But they will do for the time being, and because you just use them and then throw them out, there's a few in there. And I need to get like some blue tack or something for these to stick together, because they kind of move and it's driving me a little bit batty. And then in here I've got some like masks if I'm doing anything too chemically, diamond sponges from Koh, and then some extra dish wand heads in there. In here I have my sponges that I got from Aldi, and they're the bamboo sponge. I really love these. I wish this was white though, but they're fantastic. I really like them. So I stocked up in them. They are special buys. So I've got a whole heap of those in there. And then down the bottom I have my Koh product. And the Koh spray. I go in between using Koh and Method products. I love Koh, but I do love myself some Method as well. So I do love both products. So I've got Koh there. And then in here, in this little basket here, which is just from the cheap shop, I think it was like $2. I've had it for ages. I've just got my little slipper mop socks. And then in here I've got, this was more of a joke to my sister, a shoe cover pack. She loves wearing shoes inside, so my husband actually bought them as a joke for her to wear over the shoes when she comes and visits. But she loved it, so she wore them last time she came. And if I have any workmen and they don't want to move their boots off, and if I've mopped, they can pop them on. In this bottom drawer here, again, I got these from Bunnings. I've just got my dusting mitt, and the other one's in the wash, and my little Norwalk mitt that removes dust. And then I've got another dust remover here. Up here are all my Koh mop heads. One's a little bit bristlier than the other, and my Koh window mop, window cloth in there as well. So over here I just have the sprays that I'm currently using at the moment. My glass spray is down at the laundry at the moment. When I did my car clean, I haven't brought it back up, so I just have them there so they're easy accessible. And then I just have this little white basket that I picked up from the $2 shop ages and ages ago, and it's just got all my microfiber cloths. And over here I've just got some old latte cups, which with my little like electric brush, like a big electric cleaning toothbrush, and my Karcher in the back as well, and when I need it I will just take it out to charge. Over in this corner I got these little clear Lazy Susans from Aldi a couple of months ago in their special buys, and I've just got some bleach, it didn't fit on there, and all the just extra floor cleaners I've got, and the things that I don't use all the time. I did have a cleaning caddy to take around with me, but it's just too bulky in here, and then I can't get in here when I want to use it, but I might keep it in there. What do you think? Should I just keep it in here anyway? I do like to put my cleaning products in and carry it around the house, but it just looks a bit too chunky and bulky for me. Up here is my spare dishwashing tablets, because above my sink I empty my dishwashing tablets into a little jars that I have, and this is just washing soda and washing detergent in case I just need to wash something upstairs. And then all my sprays are behind here that I do not use all the time, but I have on hand. And then up here I have my my dishwasher liquid, which I'm going to get a container that I can fill up as a pump at the actual sink, so I don't have to keep going under. And just got some exit mold and Jif cream cleanser, my little scrubbing brushes that I need. This is the awesome grout brush from Koh, and this is the screen brush that I got from Bunnings, and just stuff up here that I can spin around and use when I need to grab them. And I removed my candles from in here, and I am going to pop them in my office because I just forgot they were in here. But this is it, all nice and neat and tidy. Everything I have in here I use. Now, I don't actually have my bathroom cleaning products kept in here. I find if I have my toilet cleaner in the toilet, I will use it every day, so I'm not tracking into the butler's pantry to grab it. And also my bathroom cleaners I have on hand in the bathrooms as well, because that way I can reach under the sink and I can clean easily. Thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am sorry it wasn't a big clean and at the end I just revealed what I had, but it was quite claustrophobic in that little corner cupboard, and trying to get the camera to show what I was doing was rather difficult. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it gives you ideas on how to clean under your kitchen sink, and I will see you in my next